Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 965 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the controls menu on our watch, and to do it we need to press and hold the light button. Once the menu opens, you can scroll through it by swiping on the screen like this. Now scroll through the menu, select the Do Not Disturb mode icon, this one, and once you select it you will see the status of the Do Not Disturb mode. As you can see, it is turned off at the moment. And to turn it on you can simply tap on the Do Not Disturb mode icon or press the start button, and the status will change to on and the icon will change the color and also how it looks like. And once you're done you can press the back button to go back to watch face, and on the watch face you probably will see the icon right here at the top, which also indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable the mode, press and hold the light button to open the controls menu again, select the Do Not Disturb, tap on the icon or press the start button, and the status will change to off, the icon will go back to gray color, and if you go back to the watch face, the icon from the watch face will disappear, which all indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also do this through the settings. So if you press and hold the up button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the system option, then tap on it, and here find the Do Not Disturb, tap on it, and we can turn on or off the Do Not Disturb mode by tapping on the status, and you can also turn on or off the Do Not Disturb mode during sleep. And if you want to edit the Do Not Disturb mode during sleep, you will need to basically open the application on the phone that is paired with your watch there. Then once you open that up there, you can basically edit this time. And then we can go back by pressing the back button. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.